Welcome to Iran Walking Tour. Today we're walking through the peaceful Lahijan Park, located near the famous Sheytan Kooh, which literally means Devil's Mountain, though it's anything but scary. It's one of the most relaxing places in the north of Iran. A few things you might not know. Lahijan is located in Gilan province, and it's famous for its green landscapes, misty weather, and friendly people. The name Lahijan comes from La Silk and Jan place, because the area was once a center for silk production. At night, this city comes alive in a different way. You'll find temporary street markets set up right on the ground. People lay out handmade crafts, shoes, clothes, and souvenirs on colorful fabrics. It's not a permanent bazaar. These stalls disappear by morning, only to return the next night. It feels spontaneous, alive, and full of local charm. In Iran, people sell fresh fruit and handmade crafts right on the ground at night. No shops, no walls. Does your country have night markets like this? Or something similar? I'd love to hear what your local street culture looks like. Share it in the comments. If you're enjoying this walk and learning something new about Iran, please like the video. It really helps this small channel grow. And if you'd like to see more walking tours like this, don't forget to subscribe. And just like the landscape, the culture here is changing too. Even though hijab is still legally required in Iran, many women, especially in the north, now walk without it, as a quiet form of resistance. It's a peaceful, everyday act that shows how people are choosing to live by their own values, even under pressure. If you're enjoying this walk and learning something new about Iran, please like this video, it really helps this small channel grow. And I'm curious, have you ever been to a night market like this? Or tried Iranian tea? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to know where you're watching from and what surprised you the most about today's walk. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more walking tours from all across Iran.
Bir yandan geleyim ben.
At the heart of the park is a beautiful man-made lake surrounded by trees and walking paths. This lake was built during the Pahlavi era and was originally part of a water system used for nearby tea farms because Lahijan is also known as the capital of Iranian tea. You'll often see people walking, exercising, taking selfies, or just sitting quietly and enjoying the view. Thanks for joining me on this relaxing walk through Lahijan. Until next time. Goodbye from Iran.